I'm happy to show you my special trick, the butterfly method, endoscopic interlaminar approach to the lumbar spine L4-5 with a spinal stenosis, how to get rid of the yellow ligament and detach it and take it out in total. So I get down with the Kerrison, look at the screen and detach it, ipsilateral. Yeah, so try to stay at the bony edge, as you see here, to the cranial side. Always try to detach it underneath the border from the inferior medial to lateral edge of the upper lamina. Now I take the dissector, mobilize the yellow ligament, gently, just try not to push too much towards the dura, mobilize it, then laterally, then caudally, now we use the sharp curette. After we have detached it, we take the rongeur, try to catch it, pull it backwards softly, and because it's so thick, I have to get out with the endoscope in total, and that's it.